dust. No matter how much you try to avoid it, you just can't. But when we get into our cars, we're spared, right? Let's find out. Mind you, both these cars have just been vacuum cleaned. And here we go! Ready to see the results? Both the cars are being vacuum cleaned again to see exactly how much dust has gone inside. So here's the dust collected from the inside of this new vehicle. And here's the dust collected from the Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has dual-level sealing on the doors and body to keep the dust out. So kids, parents, grandparents, you can all breathe easy.
Ford feels like family for a change.